Hello. I'm opening a package today.
What is it?
I don't know. It's from Ship Addict.
Oh, okay. Ship Addict. Let's see what you're going to get from Ship Addict. Are you mighty enough to rip that open, or would you like scissors?
I will use my thumb. I'll use Caesars.
Okay.
It's a box. Then maybe there's something in the box.
Could be a boat.
What's in the box?
Could be anything, even a boat.
Oh, are they onesies?
Yeah, look where it's from.
Jasmine and Marigold.
Jasmine and Marigold. Speaking of supporting those Desi-owned companies.
I didn't know Jasmine and Marigold was a Desi-owned company.
And they're based out of
Texas?
Yep, the
Cool.
DFW area.
Well, let's see.
This is what they call their Bollywood 2-pack.
Ooh. Of long sleeves. Ah! My diaper goes DISHOOM. Oh my god, that is so cute because your diaper does go DISHOOM, okay? Okay? DISHOOM for everybody means like that's the sound a gun makes when it fires. Bang!
Yeah, like an explosion.
Yes. And then Chota. Hold on. Nimbuda. It's a little lemon. It's so cute. Thank you.
Okay,
It's
so
cute.
a translation of Chota Limuda.
Little lemon.
Little lemon. Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
I like them. These are so cute.
Okay.
Especially the DISHOOM.
Right.
And did you know that whenever Adrian and I first met, he had no idea of the concept or meaning of DISHOOM? Like, I said it for weeks, and he never understood it. And then I had to explainify it to him.
Yeah. And
These are so soft.
It's unbelievable. And they're let me feel the softness.
They're
oh my
super
goodness,
soft.
they are super soft. That's quality right there.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it says 100% certified organic cotton,
Cotton.
Global Organic Textile Standard, GOTS.
Yep. GOTS certified.
That's good.
Soft on skin. Good for the planet.
And I think these sizes are a bit larger, so she'll have to grow into them. So
Oh, that's
something
fine.
to look forward to.
Oh, heck yeah. She can wear these at nighttime, too.
Okay, is that some sort of thank you note on the back?
Yes.
Okay, what's it say?
Oh, gosh. Thank you for your support as a Muslim and woman-owned brand, providing access to clothing that pass on the love of our rich culture is so important to me. Just as important as creating these products with fibers that are good for the earth. It is our belief that we can reduce garment waste. We also thank you for joining us in making good and clean decisions for the clothes that your family wears. Your support means the world to me. Sidra 80 owner, Jasmine and Marigold.
Fantastic.
She seems like a very nice lady.
Yes, she does look like a very nice lady.
Yay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yay.
Okay, wrap it up.